Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Experience Mathematics. Before starting, I request you to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. For subscribing, it's free. You do not pay anything. So just subscribe my channel. Today I am teaching how to check trigonometrical identities using calculator. Frequently, I have found that students are trying very hard to prove trigonometric identities, sometimes due to print mistake. Some questions may be wrong in book and they use their precious time. Even during examination time, question may not be correct and they write a lot of time same questions is they try to solve same questions and many pages they solve and they do not find RHS and they lose precious time. Not only they lose their precious time, they lose marks also in exam because they don't have enough time to finish the questions. So if you learn how to check trigonometrical identities using calculator, it will be quite easy. You can find out whether the question is correct or not on time, and you can save your time. And when examiner that confirms the questions, examiner corrects the question, then only you need to do that time you can give for other questions. So now I'll start my today's presentation. So here is one proving identities: sine theta plus sine 2 theta over 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta equals to tan theta. So let us check whether this question is correct or not, this proving identity is correct or not. So for this, it is in fractional form. So for this fraction, I have pressed this key which is for fraction. You can see here in the calculator. And here in numerator there is sine theta plus sine theta. You can take any value of theta. So here I have taken theta equals to 10 degree. You can take 20 degree or any angle you can take, because trigonometrical identities is true for any values of angle. So here I have taken theta equals to 10 degree. So sine theta will be 10. So sine 10 bracket closed plus 2 times 10 sine 2 theta is there. Sine 2 times 10 it will be 20. So sine 20 bracket closed, and in denominator 1 plus cos theta means it is 10 bracket close, and plus cos 2 theta is there. Cos 2 times 10 it will be 20 bracket closed. Now equal to, its value is 0. Left hand side value is 0.1763. Value in the left hand side is 0.1763. You can see in the calculator. And again from RHS we will find out value in RHS when we put theta equals to 10 degree. So 10 bracket closed, that equals to, also we have got 0.1763. From RHS and LHS we have got same value. That means our question is correct. Okay, so after you know that the question is correct, if you start solving from LHS, then you will be able to get RHS and your time will also not be wasted, and you can save your precious time in your examination. Even while practicing, due to misprint in book, your precious time will not be lost in examination. So now I will show you one conditional trigonometrical identities. Conditional trigonometrical identities means there is some condition. Okay, we have to take angle satisfying the given condition. Here the given condition is a plus b plus c equals to pi radian. Pi radian means it is 100 degree. we have to choose value of angle A, B and C in such a way that their sum equals to 180 degree. So here I have taken A equals to 30 degree, B equal to 60 degree, C equals to 90 degree. You can also choose angle according to your convenience, but sum of the three angles must satisfy the given condition. That means here the given condition is 100 degree, sum must be 180 degree. Here A 30, B 60 degree, C 90 degree. When you add all these angles, we will get 180 degree. So these values of A, B, C we can put in left hand side, and now our left hand side is sine 2A plus sine 2B plus sine minus sine 2C. I will put value sine 2A is 30, so sine 60 I should press in calculator. Sine 60 bracket closed, and sine 2 times 60 sine 120, and minus sine 120 minus sine twice into C, 2 into 2 times 90, that is 180, bracket closed, and we will get the value from left hand side equals to root 3. Similarly, we will put the value of these angles on RHS as well on right hand side, and on right hand side there is 4 cos A cos B sin C, and now 4 cos value of A is 30, cos value of B is 60, and sine value of C is 90. And you can press equal to, and from RHS also we have got value root 3. That means our question is correct. After you become confirm the question is correct, you can start doing this, so that you don't waste your precious time. I hope that this video is helpful to you. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon, so that I will bring similar type of videos in coming days. Thank you very much.